Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Cardano from Exmo to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just getting started with transfers, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Cardano, or ADA, is a popular cryptocurrency known for its smart contract capabilities, and moving it between exchanges like Exmo and wallets like Coinbase is easier than you might think. But always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Coinbase Wallet. Log into your Exmo account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for your Cardano balance. It's usually under the Wallets or Assets section. Once you're there, select the withdrawal option for Cardano. This is where you'll enter the destination address from your Coinbase wallet. Now, hop over to your Coinbase Wallet app or website. If you haven't already, add Cardano to your wallet by searching for ADA in the asset list. Once it's there, copy the receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network. For Cardano, it's the Cardano mainnet. Back on Exmo, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review all the details one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support or double-check your steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.